Hindi pinala.
Score po natin ay last 7.
Jarel, tawag ka ni Ma'am Beth. Jarel, tawag ka ni Ma'am Beth.
Inside. Service 8 by jersey number 19 of Lavender Team. Score po natin ay last 8. In favor pa rin po ng Neon Aqua. Still serving jersey number 19. Service 8 and jersey number 19 of Lavender Team.